Hello, I am Dr. Satish Babu, Senior Consultant, ENT Head and Neck Surgeon working with the Apollo Hospitals, Bangalore. Early morning onset of sneezing, blocked nose congestion or running nose or any combination of these symptoms definitely indicates that the person is allergic. He is allergic or he or she is allergic to the atmospheric pollution, dust or pollens, whatever that he is exposed to on a day to day. When the pollens or dust deposits into the nose, it creates a reaction. When the quantity is sufficient, then the person starts sneezing, then running nose and congestion, all these things happen. This is more so early in the mornings because early morning a lot of flowers blossom around us and the pollen's movement is quite a lot in the early mornings. That's why the symptoms are much more in the early mornings. In a person who's already allergic, who's having symptoms of allergy on a regular basis, sneezing, running nose or congestion, there is a slight mismatch in the neural or nervous system signals. So it is quite common for an allergic individual to have a bad smell inside his or her nostril, right, which is not perceptible for any other person around or him or her, right. That is something you need not really worry about. As far as you treat the allergy and keep the symptoms under control, things are normal. Coming to a more rather rare problem where the smell is because of something more sinister. That means there is some pus formation or some rotting happening inside the nostrils. Pus is nothing but already dead tissue which is getting destroyed or which is getting eaten away by the bacteria in the nostrils, right. Anything that is dead and rotten is going to smell. So pus is something similar to that. So if there is a foul smell, the person who's having the smell, if he is already feeling it, as well as the person around him also is feeling the smell, then it has to be looked at and see where the rotting is happening, deal with the disease properly, right. But if it is only the person who's having the symptom, that is sneezing and running nose, is feeling that there is a foul smell, that you need not worry about it. If you control the allergy, this smell will disappear.